Wait, what are you doing?
Well, if you're not using the right wine glass, you're basically doing the same thing. Do you know which wine glass to use when you're drinking wine?
Well, today we're going to talk about the best wine glasses you can own so that you have the best experience while drinking your wine.
I'm Ken.
And I'm Olivia, and we're Wine Therapy.
So today, we're going to start off with talking about different parts to a wine glass and how wine glasses are designed.
And then we're going to go over different types of wine glasses and how they differ from each other.
And be sure to stick around until the end of the video because we're going to give you our exact recommendations on what types of wine glasses you should buy for home.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn more about wine.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So let's start off with the basics, the different parts to a wine glass. This includes the stem, the bowl, and the brim.
The stem is the long, narrow portion of the glass. It extends from the table to the bowl. You definitely want a stem on your wine glass. It helps keep the wine at the proper temperature, and it holds your hand away from warming the bowl. So as cool as wine tumblers and stemless glasses are, they're not the best option.
We also made a video previously on 6 tips to wine tasting where we talked about the importance to stems. So check it out up above.
Stems are the most fragile part of the glass, so you never want to keep your wine glasses in the sink because the slope and other dishes in the sink can easily break the stem and the entire wine glass.
Next, let's talk about the bowl. The bowl is the bottom part of the glass which holds the wine. Bowls can either be larger or smaller depending on their purpose. Larger bowls are really good for aerating wine. That's why I typically see them on red wine glasses. Smaller bowls are better for typically white wine glasses just because again they help to control the temperature a bit more and keep the wine cooler. We also made a previous video too talking about the importance of different temperatures with different types of wine. Check it out up above. It also talks about the 30-minute rule, which is really important to ensure that your wine's served at the proper temperature.
And then we have the brim. That's the top part of the wine glass at the opening. The brim can either be narrow or wide. A wide brim is for aromatic bold wines. It makes the wine taste less intense, and it makes the wine taste a little bit smoother. A narrow brim is used for more delicate wines. It concentrates the scent so you can smell the wine better. And remember, the scent greatly impacts how you experience the wine.
Now let's talk about different types of wine glasses. There are at least 18 different styles of wine glasses overall. Red wine glasses are typically a bit larger and are known for having larger bowls specifically. This is so more of the wine can come in contact with the air and bring out more of the flavors within the wine. Different styles of red wine glasses include a Bordeaux style, which is designed with a wide brim and a wide bowl. This is due to the intense flavors that Bordeaux wines typically have. These are some of the largest styles of wine glasses. So if you've seen a really large wine glass, probably a Bordeaux. Then we have a Burgundy style of glass. This glass has a wide bowl and a narrow brim. This is because Burgundy wines are typically lighter in flavor, so it concentrates the scent a little bit more so you can experience the wine a little bit better. For example, some of our wine glasses have a wider bowl and a narrower brim. These are really good for red wines such as Pinot Noir that have a little bit of a less intense flavor than, say, a Burgundy wine.
Also, there are different types of white wine glasses. A Sauvignon Blanc glass has a narrower brim and a smaller bowl, which again concentrates the flavors of the wine that you're drinking, like a Sauvignon Blanc. Then there's a Chardonnay glass, which actually has a wider rim and a wider bowl as compared to the Sauvignon Blanc glass, which is due to the more intense flavors that you might find in a Chardonnay.
Then there are specialty wine glasses, such as a flute. A flute has a very narrow brim and a very narrow bowl. If you've ever done a toast on New Year's Eve, you've probably used a flute. Flutes are designed this way to direct carbon dioxide straight up towards your nose. These wine glasses are typically used for younger, less expensive styles of sparkling wine.
And then there's a tulip glass. which is very similar to a flute, except it has a slightly wider bowl and brim. And this type of glass is used with more higher quality, older sparkling wines.
And then there are port glasses. Port glasses are overall a lot smaller style of glass for wine. This is due to the concentrated flavor of port. It has a much narrower brim and much narrower bowl than any other style of red wine. Also, contrary to our other rule, you actually want to hold this red wine glass by the bowl. That's because these glasses are designed to warm up the wine from the heat of the wine drinker's hand. So after all that, what wine glasses would we recommend?
Well, we would recommend standard red wine glasses and standard white wine glasses. The standard glasses have a medium-sized brim and a medium-sized bowl. The standard white wine glasses are slightly smaller in overall size as compared to the standard red wine glasses for reasons previously mentioned. These glasses are designed to complement a variety of different types of wines. We just purchased these glasses, and we will include a referral link in the description if you're interested in purchasing a set.
When purchasing wine glasses, you want to make sure to buy somewhere between 6 to 8 wine glasses. This just makes sure that you have enough glasses if you throw a party or have some friends over. Also, we recommend going with glasses made out of glass as compared to crystal. Crystal glasses look really nice, but they're easily breakable and they're kind of a pain to wash. Glasses made out of glass are a lot more sturdy, and you can typically throw them in the dishwasher too, which is really nice after a party.
Last, if you do have a particular wine that you like to drink, you could just buy 1 or 2 glasses of that type of wine glass for that type of particular wine. For example, we typically drink Pinot Noir, so we have a couple of Pinot Noir glasses.
And those are our wine glass recommendations. What wine glasses do you typically use? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.